Hello friends, have you ever wondered how you can transform your life by relocating to Australia this year? I mean Australia, not Austria. Well, there's a golden opportunity for you to relocate to Australia, and this can only be possible if you pay close attention to this video. Friends, while you are contemplating on what to do this year 2025, a lot of your friends have already seized this opportunity and they have applied. And all they are waiting for right now is for their visa to be approved so that they can share the testimonies with you. But let me ask you a question. Don't you want to testify too? Well, think no further. As long as you can read and write and have a good network, no matter the gadget you have, whether it be a phone, a laptop, or a desktop, you will be able to apply for this opportunity with the simple steps I'm going to show you in this video. So please, if you do not want to miss any of my subscribe video, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a video. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you have done that, thanks. So friends, come with me to the computer. Let me show you how you can go about this. Okay? Hello guys, here is an opportunity for you to relocate to Australia. As you can see, these are the course keys stream for you to relocate to Australia. When you come here, this is the visa that allows you, as you can see. Let me show you what how you will come to this place. Now, these are the various visas that will take you to Australia. We have employer nomination scheme, regional sponsored migration scheme, skilled independent visa, skilled nominated visa, training visa, skilled in demand visa. This is the one that you need a job to get to Australia for it to. So if you click on it, it will take you to where you will see the requirement. These are the you must, and this is what you benefit up to 4 years to stay. This is the cost of the visa, and they say you can work in Australia for up to 4 years, travel to and fro Australia as many times as you want, and if you are eligible, you can apply for permanent residence. So it leads to permanent residency. Now, what do you need to get this visa? You need a job to be nominated to work in an occupation in the core list, which I will show you soon. Have at least 1 year relevant work experience, which I believe you have. Have a relevant skills assessment if this is required. Okay, work only for your sponsor. Of course, you work for only your sponsor. Meet minimal standards of English language proficiency unless you are exempted from needing to show this. So guys, now that you see the visa, what you need now is a job that is in the DAMA list. Let me show you something very important. Now, if you come to this place, you see list of companies, that we sponsor you to Australia. These jobs, you need to first of all know that this is something very important. Now, if you come here, this is the company's name. This is the labor type, start date and end date. So this is 13th of July 2023 and this is 12th of July 2028. So don't apply for the one that has their own that has expired like this one. So go for the one that is still having their license. And also remember to focus on the one with DAMA. DAMA. Let me search for DAMA so that you understand. DAMA Australia. Now, DAMA Australia, it says DAMAs are for formal agreement between the Australian government and regional authorities to access more overseas workers than the standard skilled migration program. So, which means any employer that has a DAMA license, they'll be able to sponsor you from overseas. So focus on those companies. Are you getting me? Now, you go to that list. Let me show you how to use the list. So let's assume you are interested in this one. You go here and copy it and put it on Google. Just type google.com. And once it opens, you put it there and click outside it. Look at I'm feeling lucky. Always click on it to take you directly to the page. And now, once it opens, you go to where you see find a job. That's where you are going to focus on. So click on find a job. Now, as you can see from this picture, you see it's like a hotel. So which means you should be looking for things that has to do with hotel. Are you getting it? You cannot be looking for mechanic job here. Okay, so this is the categories. So you can see culinary, executive hotel management, food and beverage, front office. So you click on culinary by clicking on this arrow. So when you click on this arrow, it will open and it will take you to the page. Now on this page, you can see we have 1041 results, but I am, as you can see, it is mixed. Some are in UK, Mexico, United Kingdom, France. So you can come to location and just change it to where you want to relocate to. Australia. Are you seeing? Then you click on apply. When you click on apply, the result will reduce to 74. So all of them here are having visa sponsorship because they are from the sponsorship list. Don't forget, sponsorship list. Are you there, guys? So now, how do you apply? So you look for the one that you are interested in. Let's assume you want this one. Let's use this. You click on it, apply. Then you read the description, read everything. This is what they want in your CV. So make sure you have something like this in your CV. And remember, look at what the qualifications I also need. You can see it's not difficult. 3 years of experience in similar role, passionate and knowledgeable about the food and beverage industry. Just read about it. And once you are done, guys, you click on apply. Now you put your information, add your picture if necessary. You can see the ones with asterisk means they are important. So make sure you put them, fill them, you understand. Fill it is not difficult. Put your Nigerian number or Ghanaian number where you are, Nigeria. Fill this by adding, click on this plus sign, you can be able to write. Are you getting it? You fill the form. You click on the next one, you fill the form. Then after that, you fill your profile. If you have no LinkedIn, no need to put anything because there's no asterisk. Yeah, your resume, you put it there. Please, I'm begging you, try as much as possible to do a good CV. Please, without a good CV, you are going nowhere. They will filter you out. So now, messages to the hiring team. So this is where you sell yourself, telling them why they should employ you. You know, why they should, why are you the best bet? Why are you the best bet? Why would someone consider hiring you? This is where you sell yourself totally to the employer. If you are a good person, if you are someone that knows how to write very well, this is where you do all the damages. Make sure you deliver. Make sure you deliver yourself. Write your experiences, write what you are bringing to the table, everything. Then you put on your checkbox and you click on submit. That is how to use that list. You go for the next one, anyone that you're interested in. You see the page, you can click on the number 4, number 5, click on next, and so on. Now, I want to show you something very important. Very important. There are some sites, list of sites. Let me show you list of sites. Now, these are the top sites in Australia, best job sites in Australia 2024. And these sites are still, they have been updated since April 7, 2024. So they are still relevant. So what do you do? When you come here, you see Seek, and this is the website. This is the link, seek.com.au, indeed.com, Workforce Australia, Jora, Glassdoor, name it. This list is endless. So these sites are the ones that you can use to crack any job in Australia. So what you can do, if I were you, you copy the name or you click on this link directly. But let me show you how to use the name. Copy the name, and as usual, I go to Google. I'm using Seek for example. You paste it there. Once you paste it there, click on I'm feeling lucky. Now it's open. Then you just type visa sponsorship. Visa sponsorship. That's what you will type. Visa sponsorship available. You can see different type will come on visa sponsorship available, visa sponsorship job, visa fruit picking, visa sponsorship electrician. So anyone you are looking for, just put it there. But I want to just look for general visa sponsorship. Are you seeing it, guys? Then you click on Seek. It will load everything. Remember, I did not filter it. I did not touch any of these ones, because you can also filter it with this by putting full-time, so that you can get the most of it, because you need full-time job to be able to relocate. So you can see the number has reduced. So now let's look at this. For instance, let's assume you want to work as a chef and want to check if there's visa sponsorship available. You click on it and it will appear here. You just scroll down and check if there's visas. Look at it, there's accommodation and meals available. Are you seeing it? Just check for visa sponsorship. Okay, we are looking for visa sponsorship opportunity. Okay, if they are not able to give you visa sponsorship, they will also tell you. So let's look for it and be sure we are applying for the ones with visa sponsorship. So these are the benefits. Let's check. It says this one is not visible, but let's see. So now let's look for another one that is very visible for you to see. I want something that will not stress me. I don't want this video to be too long. I think I'll check for this one and see if there's visa sponsorship. Okay. So when you go through, just be reading lines in between line with me, and we are looking for visa sponsorship. It says previous applicant need to not apply. We cannot accept application for those who do not meet the above criteria, such as request for sponsorship. So no need for you to apply because this one does not come with visa sponsorship. So let's check this. Registered nurse, visa sponsorship. So you can see it says possible visa sponsorship for suitably qualified applicants. You see it, they can, sponsor you. Go to the next one, just check. We're looking for visa sponsorship jobs, so that's why we are here. So just take out your time and check. You can see it says for our registered nurses, we are an approved. Listen carefully. It says for our registered nurses, we are an approved standard business sponsor, and we are eligible to sponsor a registered nurse. Are you seeing it, guys? So what are you waiting for? Why not apply? This is the visa 482. Are you seeing it, guys? And 494. So what you can do is check the visa, and if you are able to apply, you apply ASAP. 482, you see it, the one I told you about. So now I think you understand how to use Seek now. So let's look at this. Look at this job. Baba wanted for an immediate start, 482 sponsorship. I know you might be asking, how did I get this? Don't worry, I will show you how I got to this page. Now let's go to that list again where we have too many links. Okay, so you can see so many. Let's take one. Let's look at this Jora, and I'll leave the rest for you to do as your assignment. So you go to Jora and just go to google.com and just paste it there. Then you type Jora Australia because there are many branches. So you see it takes you to the site straight up. Then you can see we have 320,000 jobs. So now you can see visa sponsorship 13 news. So click on it to see it. Now if you look at it carefully, what are you seeing? 5,156 job visa sponsorship in Australia. So this is where you can now search for the one you are looking for. Are you seeing it, guys? All of them comes with visa sponsorship. Heavy vehicle mechanic, head chef. You can see, look at it. Sponsorship available in Melbourne. Are you seeing it, guys? Dentist, graduate visa sponsorship opportunity, chef, head chef, butcher. Are you seeing it, guys? So you need to continue to just check the pages, and you're seeing it. Duty manager. Are you seeing it, guys? This is chef and cooks, chef and the party, nurse, machinist, visa sponsorship available. They are all with visa sponsorship. I'm just scrolling down so that I can show you how it works. All of them come with visa sponsorship. Look at visa sponsorship, fast track approved, senior stylist, hairdresser. Are you seeing it, guys? So let's go back to that my job, the barber job. I can just come here and type it there. If you don't want to use that, you can say barber job with visa sponsorship. Let's see Australia. You click on search and see if it's going to come out. You see how many comes out? 100 jobs with visa sponsorship in Australia. So you can click the one you want. If you know anyone who is a barber, tell them to start applying ASAP. But remember to get a good CV. All right. So anyone you need, there's visa sponsorship for you. Apply ASAP. You can see this one. Move to Australia. Employer sponsored work visas. Can you move to Australia? That's the question they're asking you. So these are jobs with visa sponsorship. So what are you waiting for? If you are interested in this one, you can just click and apply. It says, read carefully. It says benefit and specs. Employee discount visa sponsorship may be considered an offer to suitable applicant. Job, full time, pay $69,000 and to $75,000. Benefit, employee discount visa sponsorship offer to the right candidates. You see it. So what are you waiting for? You click on this to apply, or you save it. So let's apply. You just click on it, and that is it, guys. For the sake of time, guys, I will need to stop here. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I will leave all the link in the description box. Try to start applying ASAP. There is no time. So guys, this is it. Barbers stylist. You can see it is from the Workforce Australia. Are you seeing it? Individuals. So this is another site. This is another site. Don't forget, this is another site. workforceaustralia.gov.au. I will leave all the link for you guys to apply. Please smash the subscribe button so that you don't miss out. So you see, read the job description, and when you are done, just apply with a good CV. Barber stylist, you apply. You click it and you apply. So guys, I need to go now. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Make sure you register on this site. Bye bye for now.